My name is Alize Morris, a secured party creditor under the UCC-1 filed in Florida. American National being held in custody in Gulf County. I'm the agent of the said principal.
Who wrote that for you?
I did.
Why do you need to read it if you know what you're talking about?
Just memory.
Okay. Tell me what the 14th Amendment says.
Script and the judge just makes a complete fool out of this guy. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this idiot. And if you enjoy content like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's go ahead and dive in here. Mr. Morris, I know Mr. Hill was representing you in the 23174 case you're here for. An arraignment on the 24C49 CAS. Has your financial circumstances changed? No sir. Alright, I'm going to P the officer here. Mark Sim the represent on the 24 CAS. I go state this to the own court. You raise your right hand, and yes, now that Mr. Hill is residential representing you, probably want to talk to Mr. Hill before you say anything. We're recording this proceeding, so anything you say may be used against you, but I'm listening to whatever you want me to consider. I'm not real sure what.
174 case, you're here for an arraignment on the 24 CF49 case. Has your financial circumstances changed?
No, sir.
All right, I'm going to appoint the law officer here, Mark Sims, to represent you in the 24 case.
I go state this to the court.
You raise your right hand and
yes.
now that Mr. Hill is representing you, you probably want to talk to Mr. Hill before you say anything. We're recording this proceeding, so anything you say may be used against you. But I'm listening to whatever you want me to consider.
I'm not real sure what Mr. Morris is trying to claim in that writing right there. Said he's not a citizen, and something about a secured.
My name is Alize Morris, a secured party creditor under the UCC-1 filed in Florida. American National being held in custody in Gulf County, which is not a 14th Amendment citizen of the United States. Not a record. So documentation, which is official records. To state it, I'm the agent of the said principal.
Who wrote that for you?
I did.
Why do you need to read it if you know what you're talking about?
Just memory.
Okay. Tell me what the 14th Amendment says.
That you were considered a slave under the 14th Amendment.
That who's considered a slave? I'm not a slave.
No, the incarcerated person. If you commit a crime.
Okay.
Sure, everybody born or naturalized in the US as a citizen and has equal protection under the law, so when these sovereign citizens roll in clem, they don't have to obey traffic laws because they're traveling and not driving. Yeah, that just doesn't fly. The judge knows it, we know it, and I'm guessing even the sovereign citizen kind of knows it deep down. Let me know what you guys think. Do they seriously believe their own arguments? Like, there's just no way this guy literally has a script and his just reading it all, but I swear there's just so many sovereign citizens popping up these days. It's like they all went to the same shady YouTube university and majored in bad legal advice. I don't consent.
Yeah.
That's not what it reads.
I got the 14th Amendment really wasn't in the book.
What book?
The book that we had in the back.
What book do you have in the back?
It's a law book.
What law book is it?
Florida statute book. Yes.
So the 14th Amendment isn't in the Florida statutes? That's because it's an amendment to the U.S. Constitution.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't know what the 14th Amendment reads?
The 14th Amendment reads not off on the top. Not off.
Okay.
That's why I written.
What else do you want me to consider?
That I'm a secure party creditor under the UCC-1.
Tell me what the UCC-1 reads.
I wish I had my documentation in front of me to present it all the way. I wish I had someone here that was supposed to be here so I can have it.
I asked you who wrote that for you. You said you did.
I wrote it. Yes.
So do you know what you're talking about?
Yes, sir.
All right. So tell me what the UCC-1 reads.
It's the Uniform Commercial Code filed with the Secretary of State or within the entities under the contract with the Secretary of the State to maintain Uniform Commercial Code records and database of judgment liens maintained by the Secretary of State.
Now tell me what UCC-1 reads.
It's a statement and it's a financial.
You don't know what the UCC-1 reads, do you?
Not on top.
You're not prepared. You're not prepared this morning with your sovereign citizen argument. You needed some additional time to prepare.
Yes, sir.
I'll give you some additional time to prepare your sovereign citizen argument. When do you want to come back?
I would ask that he's got two cases. I know one we've got already got the discovery on that I need to go meet with him at the jail and go over. Being at the jail, I can find time between now and May 9th to go to the jail and take care of that.
All right, Mr. Morrison, you come back. Usually when sovereign citizens come in the courtroom, at least they can recite from memory a lot of the stuff they travel under. So next time you want to come with your sovereign citizen argument, be prepared, okay? I'll listen to you, but be prepared.
Yes.
But you're not doing justice to your fellow traveling nationals who consider themselves sovereign citizens if you're not prepared to even articulate what the argument is, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll see you May 9th at 1:30.
Today.
Be prepared next time, all right?
Yes, sir.
It should have a constitution in the back so you can read the 14th Amendment and be able to tell me what it reads. And
What it says right here. What is state?
we're going to May 9th at 1:30.
Machine into a contract.
That's not a contract. That's giving you notice that you're going to come back.
It's legal.
You're fine. I'm not going to query you about what a contract is, but we'll talk about whatever.
All the way I wish I had someone here that was supposed to be here so I can have it. I asked you who wrote that for you. You said I wrote it. Yes, so do you know what you're talking about? Yes, sir. All right, so tell me what the UCC1 read. It's a com on commercial uniform commercial code filed with the Secretary of State or within the entities under the contract with the Secretary of the State to maintain uniform commercial code records and database of judgment liens maintained by the Secretary of State. Oh, tell me what UCC1 reads. It's a statement and it's a financial. You don't know what the UCCC1 reads. Do you not talk? You're not prepared you're not prepared this morning with your sovereign citizen argument. You need some additional time to prepare. I'll give you some additional time to prepare your sovereign citizen argument. When you want to come back, ask he's got 2 cases. I know one we've already got the discussion.